How to report errors or inappropriate responses from Grok AI. If Grok gives a wrong or inappropriate response, you can report it directly, and here's how to do it. After receiving a reply, click the feedback or flag icon below the message. Choose the reason like inaccurate, offensive, or not helpful. You can also describe the issue in a short note to help improve the system. If you are on the Grok web app, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Send Feedback to report bugs or content issues more generally. When reporting, be specific, mention what was wrong so Grok's team can refine future responses. Have you ever reported an AI response before? Tell us how it went in the comments below. And that's how you can report errors or inappropriate responses from Grok AI. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.